Hello, Brent Sermon, Midlands Home Inspections, performing inspection here in Omaha. They redid the master bathroom here in this house, and we do want to point out they add the extra sink on this side over here, and we have the other sink on this side of the bathroom over here. The new sink here they added on, when they did the plumbing, they just added an S-trap with a mechanical valve up there. S-traps are a deficiency in newer homes for the simple fact that those S-traps will be sucked dry on those, so they don't drain as well, perform as well as the newer P-traps do. And then also in the Omaha area, mechanical valves are not recommended for those. So definitely be recommending a qualified plumber to come out here and further evaluate this and get this corrected for the purchaser. Brent Sermon, Midlands Home Inspections. Have a great day.